Today, you are going to build your first AI app using LangChain, combining both ChatGPT and completely free local models. In the next 10 minutes, you will exactly know how to build your own powerful AI workflow. Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Alex, helping developers to build smarter AI tools and coding projects. And if you are fully into the AI, coding or productivity, hit subscribe now and let's dive into the LangChain. LangChain is an open source framework that lets you build applications by chaining together different AI models and tools. Whether you are creating chatbots, automation, or complex agents, LangChain make it easy. First, let's quickly set up LangChain. Create virtual environment and install the requirements packages. So let's open our terminal and use next command to create a virtual environment for our project and activate this virtual environment. And after that, we will install all necessary packages. We use command pip install and then install LangChain, it's our core library, then LangChain OpenAI to communicate with OpenAI API, LangChain Ollama to communicate with our local model, and python.env to separate configuration of application from our code. First up, we import the OS model. This let us interact with the operation system in case we'll use it to load our secret API key from the environments. Here we are importing three things: OpenAI from LangChain OpenAI that give us access to the OpenAI language model, prompt template from LangChain which help us structure and customize our prompts, and law.env. This comes from python.env library and loads environment variables from the .env file. These lines read our .env file and loads all the key values like OpenAI API key into the environment. Super useful for keeping secrets out of your code. Here we create an instance of the OpenAI language model. We pass in the API key we loaded earlier. Now we define a reusable prompt. The topic is a placeholder. When we run it, we can insert anything we want, like LangChain, Python, or quantum physics. This is a cool LangChain feature. We are piping the prompt directly into the language model using the pipe symbol. Think of it like connecting Lego pieces. Input goes in, the model will process it, and output goes out. We now invoke chain by passing in a specific topic. Here it is, LangChain. The prompt gets filled in and the model returns a two-sentence explanation. And finally, we print the model response to the screen. Boom, that's it. So let's walk through a short, powerful Python script that uses a local language model. No internet or API key required. The one thing that changed from previous example, we import Ollama LLM instead of OpenAI. This let us talk to a local language model using Ollama. Here we create an instance of the local language model, in this case Llama. You should already have the Llama model downloaded through Ollama on your machine. This means all the magic happens locally on your computer. No API key, no cloud, totally private. Also, we invoke the chain and given a topic, in this case LangChain, the model fills in the prompt and generates a short, clear explanation. Let's see how combine both approaches in one place. The best part, it picks the model automatically based on your input. Let me show you how it works. First, we import all the tools we need, and this is where the magic happens. We define a function called choose_model. It looks at the text length of the query, but it can be any other condition. If it's short, we use the local Llama model. If it's longer, we switch to OpenAI GPT via the cloud. This gives us a smart fallback system, fast and private for small tasks, and powerful cloud AI for longer queries. So we pick the same topic we want the AI to explain, in this case LangChain, connect everything using LangChain's pipelines operator, and run chain by giving it a dictionary with our topic. And finally, we print the result. to track which model LangChain using while processing our prompt request, I've added this print statement to the choose model function to be sure that we are using correct model. So I've adjusted the condition for the length of query just to show you how this choose model switch the model based on a text length. Wondering what's next? With LangChain, you can build things like a Telegram chatbot, an AI-powered data analyzer, smart automation agents. And guess what? Next week, I'm going to show you how to build your own Telegram bot powered by LangChain. Want this whole setup, including code examples? I've created a full Notion guide which will help you to get started. Grab it in the description. If you found this helpful, hit like and drop a comment with the AI project you want to see next, and hit subscribe to see new AI tutorials weekly. See you!